Well, good morning, Yuriki. For in case you don't know, my name is Yuri, and I'm making and posting these videos for myself as well as anyone else that might find this content useful. And I started doing that because I basically just got fed up of watching hours and hours of Bitcoin prediction YouTube videos, subscribe to 5 or more channels, and not getting what I'm looking for. I want to know what is going to happen today. I want to get in and out of a trade as quickly as possible with a correct prediction level, and I want my trades to be profitable. So I'm subscribed to 5 or more channels, not getting what I'm looking for. And I'm sorry, this is just my opinion, but I don't want to hear from a prediction video that the price will go up or down today. I don't want to know what you predicted last month, last year. I don't want to see what hotel you're staying, which country you're on holiday in, what car you just bought. In my view, that just creates a complete unrealistic expectation of what trading is about. I also then just want to rate myself, give an accurate percentage rating of my previous video, see where I was wrong, better myself as a trader, and see what I predicted correct and what I did not. And with that said and done, and with understanding that this is not financial advice and that I cannot be held responsible for any of this content, that is all of my own opinion. Let's jump right into this. Ricky, so yesterday morning, when you drew the line more or less the same time as now, 24 minutes past 4 in the morning, drew a line over here. The price at that stage was 28,460. You said you believe that the price will go down. It could go down as low as 27,350 when it starts to fall. You said the price will go down. Tick, that happened. Price yesterday morning 28,450. This morning 28,188. So that was correct. 6 minutes into that video, you said that into yesterday's video. Let's just be clear on that one. You said that your current position is 28,350, which was more or less over there. I believe that is a short 28,350. If the price does go up, I will add to my short the 28,500, which was over there, and I will add as the price goes up, which I did. I added again just before, well, it was 28,800 that I added to that again. Price came down as expected. I was not worried about this going up because if it goes the other direction, I just add to it. And then I sold my entire position at that stage. I sold at 28 for 28,250. So not a very big profit. It was something like a 12%, but at least tick, that happened. I also said at 6 minutes and 40 seconds into yesterday's video, if I was not in a trade, I would wait for a 4-hour close before I start to go up or down. At that stage, the price was over here, 28,460. We did not get a close above. It wicked at the top and then came down. So if I went into I said that if we do get a 4-hour candle close at 7 minutes and 18 seconds into yesterday's video, if the candle breaks, I would then short 27,350. That was yesterday's bottom one. Or if the price breaks at 7 minutes and 25 seconds, my 4-hour candle, then I would long. I would sell at 29,600. Okay. So the long and the short, Yuriki, yesterday's video is price was at that stage 28,460. You said you believe the price is going to go down. The price is down this morning. So the long and the short is that video was correct. I have then updated my track record. I have now made and posted 16 videos. Oh, sorry, I'm lying. I've now made and posted 24 videos. 16 of them were correct. 6 was neutral. 2 was wrong. So that moves my win percentage up ever so slightly from 90 91.3% to 91.66%. So at least a little bit of a win. Now, let's jump into this morning. What do I think is going to happen today? Just firstly, from what I can see, I still believe that I still believe that the price could go down. I'm expecting the price to go down. Price currently is 28, let's call it 190 just to round it off. I'm expecting price to go down, and basically the same as yesterday, I expect it to go down to about 27,350. I am not in a current position. I have sold mine yesterday with a very small profit, but a profit at least. I am still waiting for a 4-hour candle close below this. If I go back to the previous candle, if I bought in over here when I saw it broke the line, I would have the price have gone up since then because we did not get a 4-hour close. Same as on this one. This candle is not closed yet. There's still a good hour and a half before this one does. If there is a candle close on this one for my own personal position, I'm going to put in a trade at 28. Let's call it 260. I'm gonna go short from there, and I will put in, yeah, so I will go short at 28 200. Let's just double check on that one. I will go down, I will go short on 28 260. I will sell that whole position at 27 350, just for in case it does bounce off this line. But that's what I'll do on that one. If the price does go higher and we do not get a 4-hour candle close over here and it does shoot above this line, I will then add to my short position at basically 28,475, and I would add over there and I would add over there, which will then move my entry price higher, and when the price falls it just makes my chance of either getting out with a very small profit or breaking even just easier. If I was not in a position, what would I do? I would basically do exactly the same. At this stage, I'm too afraid to go into a long again. If I was not in a trade, I would have gone in 28 to 16 to short if we get a 4-hour candle close below this line. If we get a 4-hour close, if this next 4-hour candle does not close there, a little bit too risky to go into a long. I would go into a short at 29,050, because as you can see it is a possibility that it could try to get a couple of people in their positions. So I would then go into a short at 29 if I was not in a position. And if I had to go long, if it breaks this line again, I'll add to that just to get my entry price over that line. So that's basically the long and the short of what I'm expecting for today, Yuriki. Now, with that said and done, let's end off with Yuri's 4 golden rules. Yuri, don't get emotional about your trades today. You cannot control the market. So don't get upset when things go wrong. Prepare for what might happen and accept what you cannot change. Never play with more than you can afford to lose. Every trade has got risk attached to it. If you can't afford to lose it, then don't enter that position at all. Never enter a position with everything you've got at your disposal immediately. Go in with intervals, just for in case the price does shoot up and goes to the other direction. By doing that, your entry price will also change and you'll have a better chance of getting out with a small profit or breaking even. Fourth and the last one, take profit by putting in a take profit on each of your trades as much and as soon as you can. Rather enter the same trade 4, 5, 10 times if you have to, than losing everything at once. And with that, Yuriki, trust the triangle, trade the lines.